There is such a project which is located in Hong Kong. The time is at the peak of the Shanghai epidemic in 2022. Affected by the epidemic, it is impossible to send people to the site for debugging. However, the project was successfully accepted and received praise from customers. How did this come true? Today, I will share such a case with you and tell how we did it.
Project background.
In order to promote the construction of green schools, the Electrical and Mechanical Service Department of the Hong Kong government had launched a tender for the energy-saving renovation of public schools in Hong Kong, involving the replacement of LED lights, frequency conversion control of air conditionings, and the construction of real-time energy monitoring system in schools. A local technologies company in Hong Kong learned about our company's products and solutions through the internet, and hope to cooperate with our company to participate in the construction of a real-time energy monitoring system.
Project requirements.
In the government bidding documents, the main requirements for the energy real-time monitoring system are as follows. Monitor school energy consumption, including teaching building, administrative buildings, auditories, and sports buildings. Electric energy consumption should be subdivided into ventilation, air conditioning, lighting, and other use. It is necessary to display the power consumption of the entire school, floors, rooms, and main electric equipment over a period of time through bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and other charts. When abnormal power consumption is found, an alarm should be generated. The system also needs to realize carbon emission statistics and carbon footprint analysis. The system needs to be developed based on HTML5, allowing users to access remotely through browsers on personal computers, mobile phones, smart TVs, or tablets. It should support Chinese and English versions, have a friendly graphical user interface, and the design of UI is vivid and attractive to students. The date should be kept safely for at least 36 months, and the any date upload frequency should not exceed 50 minutes. The system should allow multiple users to log in at the same time and set unique login names and passwords for different users. The data should be accessible remotely, and the access rights are designated by the school administrator. The system should provide Modbus TCP, BACnet, or OPC protocol for the third-party system to collect data. The data collector of the system should adopt a modular design, adopt a guide rail installation, low power consumption, support RS485 interface, Ethernet interface, I/O interface, support 4 to 20 mA analog signal acquisition, support carbon dioxide sensor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, weather station information collection through Modbus RTU or Modbus TCP. Since the main requirements of the project are the monitoring and the management of electric energy, the Acrel 3000 electric energy management system was finally selected to participate in the project bidding. After online communication, product sample delivery, software customization development, and on-site testing, the final system met the requirements of the bidding and successfully won the bid.
Project significance.
Through the construction of real-time energy monitoring system, the school can monitor the operation of the entire power distribution system in real time, grasp the composition and the flow direction of electric energy consumption, find unreasonable or inefficient energy consumption equipment, private databases for energy-saving transformation, and evaluate the effect of energy-saving transformation. Moreover, students can also remotely access the Acrel 3000 power management system through the web to understand the energy consumption of the school and the energy consumption ranking of the class. The system also provides sharing of electricity saving and environmental protection knowledge, daily energy saving suggestions, carbon emissions data, and cultivate students' awareness of energy saving and environment protection from an early age.
Project summary.
This project was able to successfully win the bid and acceptance on so many unfavorable conditions, and the client is still very appreciative. There are the following reasons to share. The comprehensive functions of the Acrel 3000 power management system are the guarantee for winning the bid and the acceptance of the project. Acrel 3000 power management system not only meets the real-time requirement of power distribution monitoring, but also has powerful power, statistic, and analysis functions. The system supports simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, and English display at the same time to meet the language usage habits of different groups of people. The system is developed based on HTML5 and supports access anytime and anywhere through a browser. The system sets up 3 roles according to the government, mechanical, and electric department, school staff, and students of different classes. Different roles has different operation permissions and data access permissions, which meets the requirements of authoritative management in the building documents. This project uses Wi-Fi wireless networking to reduce wiring and reduce implementation costs. The system debugging process is standardized and easy to use. After remote guidance, the customer will implement it locally. It is very important to choose the right solution and reduce cost and increase efficiency. The project collects data through the ANET gateway. Since the ANET gateway has the function of local storage and the resume the transmission, it can ensure that data will not be lost even when the wireless network fluctuates, the service is shut down or restarted, which reduces maintenance and after-sale cost and improves user satisfaction. Professional ability and enthusiastic service are the basis of long-term cooperation. It is the first time for a user to cooperate with us which they are not familiar with our instruments and systems, and the project was implemented during the epidemic. The company could not send a person to on-site training and debugging, and could only use remote guidance and video communication. It was necessary to continuously respond to customer needs and questions in real time and guide customers to master system debugging methods and software usage methods. In the end, we are recognized by customers with our professional ability and enthusiastic service, and they are willing to cooperate with us for a long time. At present, the Acrel 3000 power management system has been successfully deployed in 15 schools in Hong Kong. Cumulative connect to more than 2,000 power monitoring points. After the epidemic ended, customers came to visit the company as soon as possible, expressing their intention for more in-depth cooperation. Customers' recognition of our system and the satisfaction with our service are our biggest motivations for continuous improvements. This is the end of this sharing. You are welcome to comment and correct in the comment area. It is not easy to make a video. I hope you can get your recommendations and forward it. If you want to know more successful case of Acrel 3000 power management system, please pay attention to me in advance. Thank you.